Today we're showing you a 1991 Case IH 895 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a Case IH 2255 quick attach front end loader that goes with it. We traded this tractor in locally here. The loader has not been on the tractor in recent years. It was sitting in the barn for the farmer. He just simply had little or no use for the loader on this tractor, so the loader has not been used recently. The tractor hour meter is showing 1670 or 1680, right in that range, just under 1700. However, the hour meter quit at 1800 and then they replaced it, so it has a total of approximately 3500 hours, total hours on the machine. It's rated at 84 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's a nice clean tractor. Again, we traded it in locally here. No known mechanical issues with the machine. We traded it in to be a good tractor and have not seen anything to the contrary. So no known issues with the tractor. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. If you would like to come in, check it out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. We have approximately 70-degree temperatures here today, and the air conditioner is blowing cold, so take that for what it's worth. Somebody put some LED work lights on it the way it looks. The tractor itself has been repainted. The loader has not, so that's why you see a little bit of a color difference there. Two sets of wheel weights on it. Tires are nearly new. Has the 540 N1000 PTO shafts. Telescopic arms back here. Top link is here. LED work lights back here as well. It's a nice tractor. If you're looking for a inexpensive cab tractor with a loader, certainly well worth a look. Inside the cab here, it's certainly not new, but it's very presentable. The interior is in much better shape than most. Headliner's good yet. All your 3-point hydraulic controls over here to the right. Here to the left, you have your transmission. You have high-low, reverse on this lever, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this lever. Also has a TA up here with a power high-low. Nice clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.